Alright, people, this is Terry. Yes, man, me just meet her. You know, a potential client. Tell me a little story about diabetes, how the medication turn you in a diabetic patient.
All right. I was admitted in hospital for one month and 2 weeks. After the 1 month and 2 weeks, they couldn't find no complaints, so them do a lot of tests and so forth.
Right.
Still having the pain and so in my joints then. So what happened now, when the doctor couldn't find what happened to me, he gave me prednisone. Prednisone.
Right.
The prednisone was to stop the pain from my joints. Well, anyway, stop it. But what they never tell me, it developed diabetes on it.
Say that again.
It developed diabetes.
Say that again.
For over a period of time.
Right.
The doctor said I must take 6 a day for 14 days, then 4 for 14 days, and 3 for 14 days. So till it cut right down to 2 for 14 days.
Right.
Over the past 2 years, I've been taking prednisone, only to find out that I cannot see.
So literally, your eyesight did that go?
It did gone.
Okay.
My 10-year-old son have to leave me around, take my bathroom and everything.
Right.
When I couldn't take it no more, I went to a private doctor. And when I tell him what I was taking, he said to me that I should not take anymore because pregnancy won't give you diabetes. So now I'm here struggling, trying to get rid of it, but no help from no doctor.
And this is how we have met because of this. Yo, people, you see when me come to talk, you don't think me they talk too much.
Here, me have to walk with my glasses.
Right, right. Yeah, man.
On my phone, and I cannot see no fine print.
Okay.
So I have to walk with glasses.
So some people think say only they eating a bit, they give them diabetes. No, the medication. That's why me telling about illegal drugs dealer, you know.
That was part of the side effect, you know.
Okay.
The private doctor tell me that it's a part of side effect.
Oh.
And I must not take anymore. Otherwise, I would not be here today.
Right. Yes, man. So me and Terry now go work together, and Terry go throw away the sugar machine that they gave you, and now what we go do? We go work with nature and believe in a hunger, because hunger cure every disease. Remember me when telling you, people, you know why diabetes blind you? We go come to it. But as me say, me and Terry go work together and we go give you a part 2. So people, you have to share the video, because look how much people out there we don't know where is at the mercy of the doctors. We go ring on a pocket financially, and when you see one little rasta head boy on the internet, you don't know what you know. Alright, share the video. Big up yourself, Terry. Here? Yeah man, yeah man. Support the book on Amazon and on my website, The Clothesline and the One for All Remedy, Holistic 8.